Morocco County Corso, talking to you today about exporting a dog to another country. In this case, it is England. Marshall is going to England, so I'm going to cover that today. Okay, so we're ready to drop off the puppy. He's in the car here, and it is going to this moving company, and then they're going to handle the rest from here. He is all ready to go. There's the moving company van there. That's going to take Marshall. Here he is with his little towel. We wanted to go in there, so we just went with it. That happened to be in the car.
We can't put him in the crate ourselves. He said no.
Oh, they'll put him in the crate. Alright. She's getting a bit upset as Marshall departs.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, I hate moving.
Yeah, come in.
Oh, he could.
Yeah, come in.
Alright.
Wait,
Alright. There you go. He knows that he's going. Alright. Alright, take care now. Well, we're leaving right now. It's definitely been a bit emotional. My wife is really attached to Marshall, and you know, it's been about 4 months, so I'm not sure if we're gonna do this again. This is our first time shipping internationally, but it was definitely an experience, and we are happy to provide this wonderful puppy to the nice family in England. All right, take care, everybody.